family, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special Makeup Monday. As you can see, I do have my wonderful little Pikachu that we got from McDonald's. And as you know, McDonald's is celebrating Pokemon's 25 years. Let that sink in, because when it first came out, my little brother was obsessed with Pokemon. I even knew the theme song. I mean, you know, older sister stuff. But Pokemon has came back with an exclusive McDonald's deal. You can get Pokemon cards and everything. And today, look at that, there's some Pokemon cards. So today I wanted to do a Pikachu inspired makeup. And we're also going to do it in a very long series of Pokemon. So celebrating Pokemon's 25 years, we here at UneekAvon will do a 25-year celebration of Pokemon. So the first look today I will be doing is my rendition of Pikachu. So if you would like to see the rest of our series, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on post notification bells and make sure, please, that it's on. A lot of people have told me they subscribe, they turn the bell on, nothing's happening. I have no idea. But don't forget also to like up this video if you are a big Pokemon fan. And if you are a big Pokemon fan, which Pokemon fan are you? Hands up. I'm Bulbasaur. Sorry. Bulbasaur. But today I will be doing a Pikachu inspired makeup. So sit back, relax, and of course enjoy the music as I transform my beautiful face into what I think Pikachu would look like.
Just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter. Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
Gosh, I am actually kind of liking my Pokemon look today. That yellow was hard to build up, so it did take a lot of time just to get the pigment color the pigment payoff that I really wanted from the yellow. I also did a little highlight with this wonderful eyeshadow Glimmerstick and also put it in my inner corners. I love the way it beams off, you know, that look a little bit. I love it. I absolutely love it. So now that we're done with the makeup, we're going to open up our Pokemon cards. So, of course, let's see now. Ooh, how cute. So it comes with this little game here. Well, those were the answers to the game. Well, it comes with this beautiful little game here for you to play with. I am absolutely loving the packaging. It does say 25 for the Pokemon 25 years. Loving that. All right. Here is what the pack looks like. It also gives you this really cute frame. I guess just in case if you want to frame one of the cards you won. So let's open up this package. It says Pokemon.com, catch 'em all. Yeah, let's try to see if we can. It's time to open. Oh. So of course, whatever cards I get that are duplicate, I will be sending to my brother. So here are what they look like here. Oh, I like they have the traditional backs on them. See that? That's so cool. There's the traditional backs. So I got Rowlet, and that has a little holograph on it, if you can't see. And that says Rowlet, and that's a basic card. I have Farkili, and that is that guy right here. Then we got Friendkin, which is this. And then we have another one, Rowlet. So I have two grass Pokemons. And then I have a water Pokemon. And then I have a fire Pokemon. So I'm really excited. I have a feeling my little brother is going to like a lot of these cards. And if not, I'll just give them to my girls. I think they'll enjoy it. I mean, this will be the first time them actually getting Pokemon cards. Because when they were growing up, they could have had Pokemon cards, but the crave was already gone. But these are the ones I got. So, out of the ones you see in here, which should be my next look? Should it be Rowlet? Could it be Frankine? Or our little frog guy here, which is Frankie. So go ahead and leave your comment down in the description box below. I had so much fun doing this. I mean, it's not your traditional look. It's never going to be your traditional look right here because we do stuff unique. And I like it. I actually like it. So this is one more time. And I absolutely am loving it. All right, let me see what it looks like with my glasses on because y'all know I can't see. Ta-da! All right, so that is all the time that we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us on this beautiful Makeup Monday featuring the Pokemon 25th Anniversary Makeup Edition series. There is many more to come, of course, until McDonald's removes it from their menu. But I got a pack and it has 4 different cards and I only have 1 duplicate, so that means hey, you'll see a lot more looks in this series and I'm really excited. So from our family to yours, we hope you had an awesome day. Thank you for joining me for this Pokemon 25th year anniversary makeup series. And if you are liking the videos, please do not forget to give us a big thumbs up so we know that we are going in the direction that you like. All right, so from our family to yours, have a wonderful, great day. God bless, and we'll catch you